In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly check all the apps and services connected to your Gmail account so you can review or remove access if needed. First, go to Gmail and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner instead of Settings, and then click on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account dashboard. Now, click on Data and Privacy. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the section related to data sharing and third-party access. Here, you will be able to see all the apps and websites that are connected to your Gmail account. Click on any app to view more details about what access it has. If you find any app that you don't recognize or no longer use, you can simply remove or revoke its access directly from here. This is very important for keeping your account secure and preventing unwanted access. And that's it. Now you know how to check and manage all apps connected to your Gmail account.